Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to recreate Deepika Padukone's red carpet look in this video. I hope I do justice to this look and you like this. So let's begin to recreate this look. I have used drugstore products. Starting with Sugar's eyebrow. It's in Taupe Tom. It's an Arc Arrival Brow Definer. It's awesome and I love the color since it matches with my hair. Next I'm taking Nykaa's eyeliner. It's Nykaa Embold. I'm just lining my eyes. This black coal is awesome and its pigment is like at one stroke you'll get the best color, so I have chosen it. And this look for Deepika is about deep cold eyes, so I'm just gonna outline my eyes with it and then I'm trying to maximize the depth, so I'm winging it. As you can see, I'm taking time to build the color under the lower eyelash. Now I'm extending it in the inner corner of my eyes, and then I am using Jaclyn Hill's palette and I'll use the black color from the palette to add more dimension. As you can see, Deepika has deep cold eyes, so I'm gonna try recreating the same effect. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes so that the lashes are looking perfect when I'm applying mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna choose Worth the Hype from NYX. It's a super mini one which I got from Nykaa haul and I love it because the applicator is awesome and it evenly applies to all my lashes, and you can see instantly my lashes gets depth. So I'm gonna evenly apply it both on my upper eyelashes and on my lower eyelashes. Next, moving on to lip color, I'm choosing Maybelline's Lipgradation in Mauve. This color is utter matte and I love this color. It doesn't dry out on your lips, it's just perfect in its formula. I'm starting with the mauve color and then I'm gonna see how I build the color to reach Deepika's lip color. Since I don't have L'Oreal Palette's lip color, so I would build and mix and match. So next I'm going to add some blush to my cheeks. As you can see in the Deepika's look, it's a peachy undertone, so I'm just adding that small hint of color. So get instantly flushed cheeks, and then I am taking Sugar's highlighter palette and let me see which color I use, which highlighter. I think I'll go with this one, and let me mix it with the champagne one also. So I'm just highlighting my light catching areas. And then I'm adding the lip color matte. I forgot the shade's name. Okay, I'm gonna give it in the description box. But this is a rosy color. Just to reach Deepika's lip color, I am adding it on top of Maybelline's Mauve. So I've achieved the lip color and the eyes look. And I hope you like this look. And it can be pulled off any day, even on any occasion, and it's so simple to recreate. That's what I liked about it. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe.